case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, Celotex Corporation became embroiled in a legal battle that underlined the burden of proof in a summary judgment motion. The case arose when Catrett sued Celotex and other asbestos manufacturers, alleging that her husband's death was due to exposure to their products. The initial stages of the litigation saw Celotex and 12 other defendants making a summary judgment motion, arguing that Catrett failed to produce any evidence supporting her allegation of her husband's exposure to their asbestos. In counter, Catrett produced 3 documents that hinted at potential exposure. Nonetheless, the district court sided with Celotex, ruling that Catrett lacked sufficient evidence to substantiate her claims. An appeal from Catrett led the case to the Court of Appeals. The initial ruling was overturned, with the appellant court stating that Celotex had failed to support their motion with any evidence that proved lack of exposure. Their failure to refute Catrett's claims and provide proof to negate the allegations were deemed as grounds to reject their motion. Crucially, the case hinged on the interpretation of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure Rule 56. Under this rule, Celotex simply pointed out the lack of evidence from Catrett to support her claims, thereby bypassing the need to furnish any evidence on their part. Despite this, Catrett could not provide a robust rebuttal, which led the court to grant Celotex's motion for summary judgment. This Supreme Court case underscored the crucial balance in burden of proof in a summary judgment, and highlighted the importance of providing sufficient counter-evidence in the face of a motion. It sends a clear message about the responsibilities of both parties in a legal dispute, specifically their obligation to furnish robust proof supporting their stance.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.